Good morning everyone. Today I'll be telling you about different homeopathic ointments that we use in our practice. So this is acid chrysol. It is used in cases of ringworm. This is Aesculus. It is used for treating hemorrhoids, piles. This is Amivisnaga. It is used for vitiligo or hypopigmentation of the skin. This is Epismel. It is used in cases of insect bites. This is Arnica. It is used in cases of sprains, injuries or any traumatic injuries. This is Azadirachta. It is used for healthy skin. This is Berberis equifolium cream. It is used in cases of acne, pimples, pustules. This is Calendula. It is an antiseptic cream and it is used for dressing as well as antiseptic action for wounds and injuries. This is Cantharis. It is used for burns injuries. So it was extensively used in my clinic during Diwali and it is a very important ointment that you should be keeping for burns or burn injuries. This is Cardiospermum. It is used for psoriasis. So this cream is used extensively in a dermatological condition which is called psoriasis. This is Echinacea. It is used in cases of boils or minor wounds. This is Graphitis. It is used in cases of dry eczema. This is Hemamelis. It is used in cases of cracked heels or fissures or piles as well. This is Ledum Pal. It is also used in insect bites, but it is also specifically used in cases of pointed injuries. This is Petroleum. It is used in cases of dry skin or dry eczema. So it is mostly used in winters as well. This is Ruta. It is used in swollen joints. This is Rustox. Along with the swelling, there is also pain in joints and it is used for pain in joints and muscles. This is Skookumchuck. It is also used for eczema, but it is a specific type of eczema. In homeopathy alone, there are more than 7 ointments which can be used in eczema. So, which specific ointment is used can only be diagnosed by a doctor. Now, similarly, this is sulfur. So, sulfur is an antimicrobial cream. So, it is used in cases of bacterial infection, itching or any bacterial infection related skin issues. And finally, this is Thuja. It is used in cases of warts or any polyps. So, these are all the homeopathic ointments that we use in homeopathy. And as you have seen, there are other ointments as well which I don't have right now. They are out of stock, like Belladonna. It is used for inflammation or where there is reddening of the skin. And there is Urtica urens which is used in cases of urticaria or hives. So these are all the homeopathic ointments that we use. And to watch more such videos, such knowledgeable videos regarding homeopathy or any medical terminology or any medical knowledge, kindly subscribe our channel. And I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.